Hello YouTube and welcome to another unboxing experience review with Ost. Before we get into today's review, now that YouTube has made it really difficult to monetize your videos, I just want to say that I make 8-bit music, you know, the Nintendo, Commodore 64 and all that stuff. If you like music like that, check out the link in the video description. Okay, here we have today's, Logitech G502 Proteus Spectrum gaming mouse, which we will be unboxing today. And to do this, you start by opening this flap at the back. Then you have some more flaps, I think. No, oh yeah, yes you do, you have flaps. But they're on the other side. You just gotta be... They've been really tricky with them flaps, for sure. Okay, let's try a different approach, because you have this plastic thing here, which is difficult. I know some of you have been saying that I should get a table, because that would make it easier for you to see and easier for me to unbox. But I say tables are for amateurs, which I may qualify as, I don't know, but I'm not going to get a table because, well, maybe if they turn monetization back on again, I could afford to get a table, but as it is now, they're not. These little plasticky gluey things on the ends here, it's going to be really... Thank you Logitech for making this unboxing experience review such a pain. We'll put that there on the floor for now, and yes, I will remove it later. Maybe I should prepare for such a thing, but I don't know, we will see. I got this. Soon we will be able to open it up. And this is also another thing I feel like it's important for me to provide live experiences. This is not prepared or anything, so had I been prepared I obviously would have gotten a knife, but I figure when you get this you're not gonna run after a knife the first thing you do, and then you will be faced with a similar experience. There we go. Finally can get this stuff off, and then it is fairly simple. There's just some more flaps, and flaps, and then you get this out of the package, and there's nothing in the box, so you can use this to have your cereal or whatever you want in. Here on the back you can see the cord, which are in some pamphlet or something, and then you might want to look into this plastic thing. It is not suitable for mirrors, and then you have to get this little thing here, which is a coaster or something. You could use it as a coaster, I guess. Nice of them to include coasters. And then you have this really tricky part, because you see there's a hole here, but you're not going to be able to get the cords through the hole. So they do include a Velcro strap though for the cords, which is really nice and tight, so that you can wrap your cords around neatly. This is such joy for the unboxer to wrap at the... Okay, here we go. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna do is this. yeah, I'm just giving you the unedited review of what it is like. And here we have the actual mouse. You can feel that this is really clicky and nice. I had the G500 before. The clickities on these is definitely more clickety than on the G500. And the scroll is more scrollity. And if you don't like the scrollity, you can do this. But I like the scrolly, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I should probably show you the mouse looks like. Here is the cord, which has a nice braid on it. And like I said, it has the Velcro strap thing here, so that you can wrap it around things, which is actually going to come in handy for me today, because I'm going to hang my cord and then I can use this to hang it by. And on the bottom you can attach the weights, which you have here. I think that it's actually, this is where the weights are. This is not a coaster, but you can use it as a coaster if you want. Okay, I think that that pretty much wraps it up for this unboxing experience review. And again, I can't monetize my channel anymore, so if you want to subscribe and help me out, please consider doing that. And if you know, like, comment, subscribe, share this video with all your friends and enemies, and also listen to my music, which I've linked to in the video description. Check out all my other videos one by one, and see you next time. Bye-bye. Wait, stop. Hold it. I forgot to rate the experience, because I'm such a scatterbrain, just like the sensor on this mouse. Well, as you can see, the experience was great, except for those tape tabs. Those nasty looking things that take forever to take off. So for the unboxing experience, I was gonna give it an 8, but now because of the stupid tape, it's only a 4, unfortunately. So if you want a more pleasant unboxing experience, just use a knife, because you don't want to be wasting a bunch of time. So if you want an 8, use a knife. If you want a 4, just use the knife. Yeah. Or the other way around, I don't know. Just let's watch all my other videos, like, comment, subscribe, share with all your friends and everything, and see you next time. Bye bye.